Hello, I'm Kelly Agnew, orthopedic surgeon with Tri Rivers Musculoskeletal Centers, and this year's Arthritis Foundation Bone Bash Medical Honoree in Orthopedics. I'm honored to be recognized by the Arthritis Foundation for a now 26-year commitment to helping arthritis patients in Western Pennsylvania live their best and most productive lives. Our more than 40 Tri Rivers providers render a wide array of operative and non-operative treatments to our arthritis patients. When I first learned of this honor, the plan was to gather in person at a live Bone Bash event, an event to support the Foundation's important work, redefining the future of osteoarthritis. However, as COVID-19 continues to impact our daily lives, your health and safety are our top priority. To reduce the risk of contracting or spreading the coronavirus within our community, the 2020 Bone Bash has now pivoted to an online Fund the Mission campaign. Although we can't be together in person, this is still our chance to redefine what we will remember about 2020. Not just as a year marked by pandemic, recession, and uncertainty, but also one defined by courage, compassion, and action. Despite these difficult times, the Arthritis Foundation has increased its support throughout this pandemic to arthritis patients and their caregivers alike, even in the face of reduced funding. This includes increasing services, adding new virtual resources, and maintaining all research investments. This is especially important for our osteoarthritis patients. Osteoarthritis provides a frustrating, painful way of life for at least 30 million Americans. As the leading organization dedicated to ending such suffering, the Arthritis Foundation is working to reverse this reality. There is no cure for osteoarthritis, and patients can still have difficulty accessing treatment options, often going undiagnosed until severe, irreversible joint damage occurs. Thanks to the generous support of our community, that stark reality is changing. The Arthritis Foundation has leading experts working on new interventions, biomechanical analyses, and advanced imaging strategies which will change how arthritis is diagnosed and followed over time. Together, with your continued support, we are bringing diverse disciplines and multiple institutions together to accelerate the development of new therapies. Please join me in the effort to change the future of osteoarthritis by making a gift now at www.arthritis.org/BoneBashPittsburgh. Click on the green Fund the Mission button. Please accept my heartfelt gratitude for your role as a champion in the fight to end arthritis. I look forward to celebrating your partnership in person as soon as it's safe to do so again. In the meantime, stay safe and be well.